I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the Netflix 12001 error on your Android device. Are you running into the frustrating Netflix 12001 error on your Android device? This common error can pop up when there's outdated data in your app, potentially ruining your movie night or binge-watching session. Don't worry though, because fixing this issue can be straightforward and quick, ensuring you're back to streaming your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Apps. Step 3. Navigate to the Recently Opened Apps section and then tap See All Apps. A list of all the apps installed on your Android device are displayed. Step 4. Scroll down this list and then tap Netflix. The app info screen for Netflix is shown. Step 5. Tap Storage and Cache in this menu. You'll land on the storage screen. Step 6. Tap Clear Storage. A window pops up asking if you want to delete the Netflix app data. Step 7. Tap Delete. Both the storage and cache associated with the Netflix app will be deleted, and you should no longer get error 12001 in the Netflix Android app. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.